So you've dipped your toes into the exciting world of cryptocurrency. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, all these names are swirling around, promising a revolution in finance. But where do you keep your hard-earned crypto? We all know the horror stories of hackers and exchange meltdowns. Building context, 010 to 040. Crypto wallets come in all shapes and sizes. There are hardware wallets you can hold in your hand, software wallets on your phone, and even exchange wallets where you keep your crypto on the platform you buy it from. Today, we're focusing on Newton, a popular Nigerian exchange known for its ease of use. But with ease of use comes a question: is it safe to hold your crypto on Newton in the long run? Security features, 040 to 130. Let's delve into Newton's security features. First up, two-factor authentication, or 2FA. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring a code from your phone on top of your password when logging in. Great! Most reputable exchanges offer 2FA these days, and it's a non-negotiable for any crypto holder. Newton also boasts bank-level encryption, which means your data is scrambled into gibberish that even the most determined hacker would struggle to crack. They also store user funds in something called a hot wallet, essentially a secure online vault. Now, hot wallets aren't perfect, they're connected to the internet, which introduces some risk. But Newton assures users that only a small portion of funds are kept here, with the majority stored offline in a cold wallet, completely air-gapped from the internet, making it much harder to hack. Insurance and regulation, 130 to 220. Here's another point to consider: insurance. Does Newton offer insurance on your crypto holdings? Unfortunately, the information on this is a bit murky. While Newton claims they take security very seriously, there's no clear statement on their website about whether they insure user funds in case of a breach. This is a bit of a red flag. Having insurance shows confidence in their security systems and adds another layer of protection for your crypto. Regulation is another aspect to consider. Remember, the crypto world is still the Wild West to some extent. Nigeria is taking steps towards regulating crypto exchanges, but it's an ongoing process. While Newton seems to be following best practices, regulation adds an extra layer of accountability. So, is it safe? 220 to 310. So, can you confidently hold all your crypto on Newton? There's no one-size-fits-all answer. Newton offers security features like 2FA and encryption, and they store most funds offline in a cold wallet. That's good. But the lack of clarity on insurance and the ever-evolving regulatory landscape in Nigeria are points to consider. Alternatives and best practices, 310 to 4 o'clock. If you're a crypto newbie with a small amount of holdings, Newton's ease of use might be appealing. But for larger investments, consider a hardware wallet. These are physical devices that store your crypto offline, completely isolated from the internet, making them the most secure option. They can be a bit trickier to set up, but there are plenty of user-friendly options available. No matter where you store your crypto, remember the golden rule: never keep all your eggs in one basket. Diversify your holdings across different wallets and platforms. Conclusion, 4 to 410. Ultimately, the decision of where to hold your crypto is yours. Newton offers a user-friendly platform with decent security features, but for larger investments, a hardware wallet might be a better option. Do your research, understand the risks, and choose the solution that best suits your needs. Outro, 410 to 415. With that said, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto content. Until next time.